All right, good afternoon. We're back here in Kano, back on the project. Yeah, last time I was here, it was freaking cold, and this time the sun is at the peak of its powers. It's really hot, really, really hot. So you just tend to wonder the greatness of God. Yeah, so we're back. Last time we only showed you the block work for the greenhouses, but this time we're done with the installations, so you can see them behind. 10 greenhouses fully installed. So next will be cultivation of the veggies inside the greenhouses, and then preparation for stocking. So yeah, we're good to go. The last time I was here, the audio was quite poor because of the breeze. It's always windy here in the north. But hopefully this time is better. And I'm also handling the camera myself to give a better audio quality. So yeah, it is what it is. We're done with the installations. So this is what it looks like. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube to see the full video of this. And also leave your comments and follow us on Facebook, YouTube at Kester Amos, Facebook at Kester Amos. Yeah, so that is it. It's quite remarkable. You can see how beautiful they look. Yeah, it's currently the biggest project we've worked on. We're hoping for bigger projects. All right, so we'll take you inside. All right, yeah, so you can see what it looks like inside at the moment. It's quite neatly done. So we will be starting soil preparation pretty soon. So you can see how beautiful it is inside. Yeah. This is what you get from Kester Amos Consultancy Services Limited. Good consultant, good product. Yeah, so it's beautiful. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. I'll just take you into one of the greenhouses. I'm standing by the door so you can see how beautiful it looks. Ground is well leveled. The next phase will be tilling of the soil, introduction of topsoil, and preparation of the ground for stocking, and of course planting, growing, then stocking. So this is what it looks like inside. So you can see how beautiful it is. Then we install the sprinklers above. So yeah, it pretty much looks okay, and we are very much good to go. Yeah, you can see what it looks like. Turning the camera now towards the greenhouses. It is really beautiful. Yeah, so while we're doing this, we're also covering the 650 concrete pens with the wire mesh and the wooden frames. So that's gonna be the next move. So we'll take you in there and show you what it looks like as well. Alright, so this is the much we can give you for the greenhouses. Thank you. While we move into showing you the concrete pens. So we are actually in the pen construction part. As you can see, the work is still very much ongoing. Some part has been completed with the net. Some part is yet to be fitted in with the net. So we have 5 of these buildings where we have completed the entire block work, and we are just working on the coverings. So you can see it's still very fresh. The nets are on the top. So as soon as we complete this one, they will move to the next room. So we have a total of 650 concrete pens divided into 5 rooms. Yeah, 130 pens per room. So like we said, the building was already an existing structure for broiler production. So they moved the broiler farm to a different location. And that's why we're using the existing structure for the concrete pens. Otherwise, we won't be demarcating it into different rooms. It would have just been one long building. So just to clear your mind of the question of why different rooms. Yeah, so that's the way it is. You can see the side nets for the broiler house. Usually we don't have this nets for the snail house. So yeah, this is what it is for the concrete pens. And of course you've seen the greenhouses, and we'll be starting the stocking from here. So once we finish the stocking, once they begin to lay eggs, we hatch the eggs here, and then the young ones will move into the greenhouses, which we showed at the beginning part of the video. So yeah, that is it. Thank you very much, and God bless you, and bye bye. Yeah, so you can see this is another room, and we've now begin the covering of the pens here. So just wanted to show you the situation here. So we have 4 more of these rooms that are like this. So the covering has started from 1. We're going to complete it. After the completion, then we move to the next phase: introduction of the soil and stocking of the pens with the snails. So it has also been designed in a way that in each of the rooms we have a water system to supply the pens with water. So we just tap a hose to the outlet of this tank and water the snails inside the pens. So this is what it is. Yeah, so thank you. It's been quite a nice experience coming from the greenhouses to the constructed pens, the covered pens, and also now the uncovered ones, just to give you a look. So every other building, it's just similar. All right, so thank you. God bless you, and bye bye.